Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Monday Moves. I'm John Maz. I'm here with my dog Moo, and we're going to tell you what's going on today with the market and what happened over the weekend. So we had lots of interesting things go down over the weekend. Had some big moves with cryptocurrency. Had some interesting things happen Friday right after the closing bell. So let's dive right into it and see what we got going on. Dive into what had happened over the weekend with some of our favorite stonks and cryptocurrencies. I just want to let you guys know that the Dogecoin raffle slash lottery is still going on currently in the Discord server. So if you haven't signed up for it yet, if you haven't checked out the Discord server, I encourage you guys to slide on over there, check it out. We recently just hit 500 subscribers on the channel as well. So thank you to everyone who subscribed. If you're interested in the content that I have that I'm putting out there, please, just remember to hit that subscribe button. It helps me out, helps the channel out. And if you could just hit that like button as well, it helps the YouTube algorithm push this information out to more individuals like yourselves, or maybe someone that might be interested in joining and learning more. Like I said, keep that conversation going. Slide over to the Discord, and let's check out and see what's going on in the market today. So huge moves this morning in pre-hour trading, and since the bell has commenced in regards to AMC, we are up 22.21, 22%, which is some huge gains. Closed on Friday right at 10:50, and then it skyrocketed even before the opening bell, and we've seen a little bit of climb so far this morning with AMC. I'm hoping to see it close out, above 12. I do see a little bit of retracement in its future. I'm in it for the long haul. I have some positions here on Webull. I also have some positions on Robinhood as well. I'll pull that account up here for you in a second. So we've got some good stuff going on. We did see the CEO of AMC, put out a news broadcast and did an interview and was talking about how he feels his stock is being misrepresented and his company's being misreported. So hopefully he's encouraging other people to, SEC mainly to, hey, let's crack down on some of this stuff. Let's make sure that the information that is being broadcast is correct. This is, my company, our, millions of employees. Let's make sure that this information, or sorry, thousands of employees, let's make sure this information that is being put out there is correct. And he basically said anybody at this time that's buying into AMC is going to make money on it in the future once everything is straightened out and, cleared up with regards to the valuation of his company. So that was pretty cool. I thought that was very interesting to see him say that this morning. So to have a CEO come on and say that, I know he's obviously has his company and his assets in mind, but also, he wants to, I feel he wants to call out some of these, I don't want to name names or name groups or anything. I don't want to be that type of person, but there's a lot of stuff going on in the market right now that is not up to par. I think we need to see some serious, investigations go on, and maybe get some of the stuff rectified and cleared up. We're seeing halts on the stock exchange and different brokerages putting halts on the market, and different companies and assets that we're not allowed to trade, whether it be AMC or GME or whatever it may be. I think a lot of things need to be straightened out. And now that we have all these implementations in brokerages that allow for more access for retail traders, why push us aside? Why do that? It's just an influx of capital into the market. We should be making it more realistic for retail traders to be doing this, more educational processes, more educational information out there for retail traders to do this safely, and to make a living doing this like I am. So that's my theory. I'm not going to keep ranting on about it, but AMC does look good. Nice little pump this weekend for Doge. as I have my dog running around here in the corner. Moo Moo, what are you doing? Give me a pup. So this is my dog Moo. Up. Say hi. Pup. Oh, she's too busy chasing the cat, it looks like. So, yeah, we had a nice run up this over the weekend with Dogecoin. Hit a nice high. We got like 6.25, or sorry, 625 for Doge. Nice little retracement. Hit the bottom here on the RSI. I think it's going to come back up. I think 6 cents, 5, 6, 5, 6 cents is our new floor. To be honest with you, a lot of things are happening. We have Coinbase waiting for their stock to go live. I don't believe it is live as of this morning. Nope, it's not live yet. But hopefully we'll see that soon. And I honestly do feel that once Coinbase goes live and is a publicly traded company, because they're doing a direct stock offer, they're not doing an IPO. I think once that happens, then they will implement Doge into their system. I think they're trying to, let's knock down one thing before we bang out another type of situation. Let's focus on getting, a company listed, and then we'll go after Dogecoin and get that on our exchange as well. So that's the kind of the play that I'm seeing them doing. Whether it happens, I'm not 100% sure. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial expert. I'm just somebody that sits here in front of a computer and tries to read and learn as much as I possibly can to better my financial situation. And I want to share my opinion with you guys. So yeah, that being said, I think once we see Coinbase go live, we're going to see. Yeah, so once all that happens, I think we'll definitely see Dogecoin skyrocket quite a bit. Whether we'll hit $1 before end of 2021, I'm not sure. I definitely think 50 cents is a reasonable goal for 2021 this year. We'll see what happens when the U.S. gets their stimulus checks. I'm still waiting on mine and my family. So it'll be very interesting to see how much that affects cryptocurrency and Dogecoin in particular once we get all our stimulus checks. So it'll be very interesting to see how that happens, how it affects AMC, how it affects the stock market. GameStop, again, going back to the stock market, is down today. Not down a lot. We are down 22% in the scheme of things, 20%. So it's not a dramatic drop here in the last hour or so. We are at a resistance point here, so we'll see what happens if this is the new floor and it keeps climbing back up. I'd like to see 350 on it. Again, I'm not holding any GME, sorry. But I do have high hopes for it, for everybody that is holding and following along with that. So we'll see where that ends up. Over to my Robinhood account quickly while my dog is chewing up my office here. Doing all right. I had some negative call options expire last week, Friday and Friday and Thursday, I believe. So we had an AMC call option for me that expired with a loss of $5,000, along with a Apple call that was at a loss for almost $600. So yeah, I took a little bit of a loss, $5,600 last week. Not going to break my bank, obviously. That's all money that I had made over the past 2 months. So I'm okay with losing it. It was a gamble. It was, a long shot. I am still holding. If I move my face out of the way here for you, let's slide me right over. There we go. Oop. All right. So now that you can see kind of what my holdings are, we got AMC with 1,025 shares here on Robinhood. You saw another 76 over on Webull. I have some AMC on, I believe, Stash. I have some AMC on Cash App and TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim. So I have a few shares, probably around 1,200 shares roughly of AMC that I'm holding. Right here, this is probably my biggest gains for AMC because I bought in here at a lower value, obviously, where opposed to my other accounts that are a little bit higher valuation. Again, I'm in it for the long haul. I think AMC is very undervalued, so I'm going to hold on to it. I also believe Nokia and BlackBerry and Neo are also undervalued, so I'm going to hold those. I'm probably going to pick up some Neo call options, maybe some Tesla call options this week. We'll see kind of how the market fares and what that looks like. I think Tesla's, got some run up in it in the next couple months here, so we'll definitely see how that works out. Um, Obviously, you can see there I'm also holding Doge. Uh, Not something I recommend doing. Don't be grabbing cryptocurrency on Robinhood just yet. Uh, I'd wait for them to implement their wallets if they implement their wallets. A good place to grab Doge right now, for me, for example, is crypto.com. There's a link in the description down below. You sign up with my link. You get, $25 worth of BTC. Transfer that to Doge. You're rocking and rolling. You could also jump over to Discord if you're into cryptocurrency mining. Guys over there will help you get set up. Maybe you want to get into some cryptocurrency mining. We have a nice little party pool going on for script miners. So we've got a lot of things going on, a lot of different projects that I'm working on. So lots of movement. So we'll have to see what the week entails and how we fare. Again, guys, I do appreciate the likes, the follows, the subscribers, the messages. Love the conversations that we're having. Keep them coming. Don't hesitate to ask me questions. Again, if I don't know it, we'll find the answer together. Or we'll reach out to the Discord server. It's growing. We're almost at 100 people right now on the Discord server, so that's growing fast. Again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, show the channel some love, join the conversation, and don't forget to tune in on Wednesdays for my Market Watch Wednesday broadcast that we do live. It's another place where you can jump into the conversation, into the chats, and talk with me there. You can also talk with me on Discord and maybe do a voice chat and do a one-to-one. Whatever you guys want, both channels are open for you to talk and join the conversation. This will be a typical thing for me moving forward. We're going to do Monday moves moving forward for all the Mondays. As I'm saying moo, my dog Moo is jumping up on my lap. So we'll kind of do that. She'll be my little sidekick, and we'll see how it goes. Until then, guys, until Wednesday, keep the conversation going and keep the accounts climbing. Have a good one. Take it easy.